One day when I was a kid, I came home on the bus from school. I found an envelope on the kitchen table. I opened it. Inside was a letter and $500 cash. The letter was from my father, but it wasn't intended for me. It explained that he was leaving, and it made it clear that he had no plans to return. At 9 years old, I knew what that meant for my mother, my brother, and for me. My mom was a school teacher. We didn't have a lot of money, even when he was there. I knew things would get tight, and they did. There were times when we didn't have enough money to pay bills. My brother and I both had to get jobs. He worked in a restaurant. I delivered newspapers. Still, sometimes we didn't have enough money. We had to depend on our family, our friends, and our church for help. One evening, my mother sat down to talk with me about a homework assignment. She expected me to do my best, and I didn't feel like it. She said God expected me to do my best. She said, "For unto whom much is given, much will be expected." Luke 12:48. Much is given, I said. What do you mean? We don't have any money. We don't have anything. I'm wearing my big brother's shoes, for crying out loud. And incidentally, they're 2 sizes too big. I'll never forget her response. Who do you think provided you with your family, your friends, your church? You're blessed to have a big brother. You have a strong mind and body. It hit me like a thunderbolt. She was right. After that, I looked around my community. I saw people who helped other people, who were the answer to other people's prayers. They were teachers like her. They were police officers, firefighters, pastors, coaches, military personnel. Some of them were lawyers. I decided then and there that I wanted to be just like them. I wanted to help people in need. That's what we have tried to do. We help injured people recover. We help them recover financially, physically, emotionally. We help people going through divorce and custody battles. These are some of the worst moments in people's lives, and we want to be right there with them. 40 years later, my mother lives with me and my family. She has Alzheimer's. She has no memory of our conversation. But sometimes she'll see a commercial for our law firm on TV. She might see a billboard or hear about us on the radio. She lights up like a kid at Christmas. She's so proud of what we do. She loves to see how we've been able to help people. She loves to see the impact we've had on our community. She's watched trials, met clients, lawyers, judges. She's experienced a lot of joy by seeing that we have built a life and a law firm based on the values that she instilled in me as a child. These values are what set us apart. Just like the heroes that helped me and my family, it is our mission to be there for those in need, and we will stop at nothing to help you get through these tough times. I'm Clarke Speaks at Speaks Law Firm. Who speaks for you? We do.